Printing your iCloud calendar makes scheduling and sharing easy, but it's not always straightforward. In this video, we'll show you simple steps to print your iCloud calendar, helping you choose the best method for your needs. Part 1. Can you print iCloud calendar directly? iCloud calendar lacks a print button, so you'll need to use alternatives like a web browser or syncing with another app. In the next section, we'll show you how. Part 2. How to print iCloud calendar 3 ways. Way 1. Print iCloud calendar from web. Start by visiting iCloud.com and signing in with your Apple ID and password. Once logged in, click on Calendar from the main interface. Next, take a screenshot of the calendar you want to print and save it to your computer. Then, print it using any connected printer. Way 2. Print calendar on iCloud with Doctor for iOS. MobiKin Doctor for iOS lets you export your iCloud calendar to your computer and print it directly. It works with iCloud and iTunes backups, making data extraction and printing easy. Steps to print iCloud calendar with MobiKin Doctor for iOS. Step 1. Start by downloading and installing MobiKin Doctor for iOS on your computer. Launch the software and choose the Recover from iCloud option. Then, sign into your iCloud account using your Apple ID and password. Step 2. Once logged in, you will see a list of data types available for download from your iCloud backup. Select Calendar and click Next. Wait for the software to process your selection. Step 3. After the download is complete, you can preview the calendars one by one. Select the files you need and click Recover to Computer to export them to your computer. Step 4. Save the calendar data to your computer in a readable format, for example HTML. Open the saved file on your computer and use a local printer to print your calendar.